Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix system restore option is grayed out in Windows 10. Type create a restore point in Windows search bar. Click create a restore point. System restore option is grayed out. Select local disk C drive. Click configure. Check turn on system protection. Click apply, OK. Click create to create new restore point. The restore point was created successfully. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.